welcome back. Actually, today I'm planning to start the engine of the 61cc RC plane over here. So, yeah, as you can see, it's not completed yet. I think it's a first video on YouTube. Like I was doing it on Instagram, and it went something like 1.6 million right now. I think one trail is near to 1.6 million. It's the final stage. Everything is assembled, everything is perfectly fine. Engine, the 61cc RC engine to be started and to be tuned before the flight. So today I am taking this plane to my terrace and I'm doing kind of like tuning and all. So first we need to mix the fuel. So I'm using 90 octane fuel. So yeah. This is the petrol and we will place it here. So I took a measuring mug here. So I took a measuring scale here. So yeah, I bought this. Shell Advanced 2T oil. It's a two-stroke oil. Let's open this. So this is 1 liter actually. So yeah, for this I am using 50:1 fuel to oil mix ratio. So we'll take 20. So I have taken 20 ml of 2T oil for this for this petrol, 1 liter petrol. This is 50:1 fuel ratio, 50 parts fuel and 1 part of oil. It's a two-stroke mixing ratio. If you are aware of two-stroke mixing ratio, you should probably know this. What I mean. Like, if you don't know, just go to the internet. Like, it's available. The charts are available. So, I'm mixing the oil. Yeah, let's pour the oil. Let's mix it. Yes. So the fuel is mixed right now. We need to load the fuel. Before that, we need to go to the terrace. Yeah, let's go to the terrace and we'll set up it. Yes guys, so I installed the propeller and the nose cone. So now it's time to load the fuel and let's test the engine. So yeah, I'm loading the fuel actually. So yeah, this is a hand cranking pump. This is actually the filling line. Actually the half tank fuel we have filled. So yeah, this is the tank and this is the filling line. Yes. So yeah, so let's fire it. So guys, finally the engine is fired, and yeah, I did some needle adjustment like tuning and all. So now it's fine, everything looks cool. So we'll go to the field and do a trial taxiing. So we'll taxi first and we'll see if we can fly it. So yeah, let's go to the field.
Clear, clear.
Yes, guys, finally we flew the 61cc RC plane. So that was completely unexpected. The flight was completely unexpected. I wasn't planning for the flight today. What just happened is I took the plane to the ground. Everybody was there. Like I don't know what happened today. Everybody present there. So I had to fly this because everybody kept asking me, you're only taxiing, like you're not flying today. So they wanted to see the flight. So I thought like everything is ready. So why not? I can fly this. So I did a small test flight, kind of. So the plane was little bit on tail heavy, like I was not able to flare it properly. That was the landing little bumpy. So yeah, everything is fine, everything is cool. The plane back in one piece. Sorry for the video, by the way. Like I wasn't, as I said, I wasn't planning for the full flight, so that's why I wasn't able to concentrate on the video side. So my friend was filming the video. He completely filmed it on vertical. So yeah, so I had to stretch the video for this YouTube video. So yeah, that was unexpected and it flew. Just kidding, guys. So that's it. This was a end update of the 61cc build. So this is the final stage and everything is completed. Now we just do the regular flights. The braking is going on, by the way. That's why the engine is on the richer side. So yeah, let it cool, let it complete the braking. After we will do some crazy things with this. So yeah, I need to fly it regularly. So all these days I was building it. I was busy with building. So I was not worried about the travel and flying. Now I'm a little bit worried because I have to go to field regularly and fly this. Yeah, we'll see. That's it for the video. I think I covered all the things in this video. So I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye.